Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can easily and quickly clear all your previous activities in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write your comments below the video and make sure to put your likes. And let's get started, friends, and I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. So, first of all, you're going to need to open your Instagram page. Go to the page itself. Next, on the top right, click on the three bars. Now that you've come to the settings, you'll need to open your Meta account. To do that, click right here. Now scroll down a little bit and select your information and permission. Now select this option right here. And when you get to the Meta Technology page, you'll see at the bottom here, there's an option that says Delete Previous Activity. Click on that. And in order to go ahead and delete all your previous Instagram activity, you will just have to click on the Clear button. And after that, on the last page, click on this button to confirm your action. So friends, you will clear all your previous activity in Instagram app very easily and quickly. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put likes and write comments. Take care.